Hey guys, what's going on? So first, nice day for a cigar. 27th day of August 2023. Got my hat, I got the State Fair. We're over here at Big Willow Park. We out in March. So you can walk this way. What I'm going to do, I've been down there before, the Mihawk Creek. I'll go over there and walk over that way, but we've been over here before. I have. And there's a nice little, Big Willow's got saw some, I think they were VFW guys where they're playing some baseball. We used to go there all the time, but it's a nice park. It's right next to the park and rec place. It's a nice, I've been here before, but kind of want to give you we went walking over here with the dogs yesterday, and I kind of walked through some of the trails and I'll go across the bridge. So it's a cool little park, especially in the wintertime. I've done before, in the fall. There's lots of trails. You can walk around. There was a young family yesterday was walking along, and he goes, there's places they can play in the water. I go, yep, right around the corner. There's when the water's lower, they can play in the railroad track goes across Mihawk Creek. So yeah, we're going over there. So it's a great little park. It's not too far from the house. Might do some biking. You got State Fair coming after this. I do gotta go back to the car and get a battery. Forgot it. So walk over here. So just a beautiful day to have video. Beautiful day. So I'm gonna go to that when I get back. We have to go. I bought 2 more batteries. One for some reason wouldn't charge. I'll send it back to Amazon. I have 4. I'll have 4. But it's a great day for video in here. So it's right across the street here. Kind of see over here, Applewood Point. They do the adopt park, elderly people. So it's a nice big park. It's kind of a add-on area here. So kind of see Big Willow complex. Loop Trails corridor system. So I got to get the battery so we can continue on. You can kind of tell over there. They put a strip mall out. There's a train going over there right now. So there we go. So you can see the train over there. Get some track over there. That kind of connects with everything else, Minneapolis. So hey guys, great day for a walk, huh?
Yeah, that was fun.
I know.
It's not too dangerous. You can do it.
No, I know. I'll try not to fall down. If you hear me scream, don't come looking. All right. It's not too dangerous. That's hilarious. Saw an older couple over here yesterday. They live across the street. Been married 60 years. Walking along, enjoying the park. So the hat was $15 at the fair. Usually 33. So I'm gonna kind of walk along here. You've seen something before, but I kind of give this Big Willow Park the due it deserves. Like I said, the ball fields over there. They're really nice. We used to go there all the time play baseball when I was in the 80s. So you do see Little League, and across the street over there is Babe Ruth Field. And then behind is 2 more. So the trail from my house can go past here. I might do some biking over here too as well. It's really nice here in the fall. It's between 169 and 494. If you get off 169, Middletown Boulevard, head east, and you'll be right here. It's real easy. If you're in the area, what the hell? So you go past the big Willow ballpark. If you're heading east, you're going too far. West, you'll see it, and you can get off here and roll around. A lot of poison ivy. I'll start the video over again, but I'll just go get the battery. What the hell? So these kind of days you can videotape, get 4 out of each battery, but I'd rather, if I've been up here before, but when I get across the, I lost a pair of sunglasses here last time I was out here, but we have chairs right here. You can like this chair right here. You know, I could probably have this refurbished, put someone's name on. It's a shame. Kind of overlook. See the train over there. They're biking over there. This trail leads over to there. Just a cool place. Again, you can bring elementary kids down here and just have them walk around and look and see a lot of wildlife for your bird watcher. Want to have a cigar? A lot of the elderly people come walk around here. The Big Willow Park, I call it Big Willow Park, what they call it. It's kind of a makeshift park that you can walk around. And Mayhaw Creek goes through. I was telling you one time, pretending I was working for Haggy Rants like 3 years ago, interviewing somebody. It was pretty funny. It's the last time, I mean, really was done to do videos. I think videos long gone, but I was watching some Haggy Rants videos today. People were defending a wonder. It was like 6 years ago, the Haggy family, people leaving the Haggy family. It was hilarious. It was a real funny video, a couple of video game playing idiots. Pretty funny. So this goes up there. So this goes down the hill. I've been here before, but just it's so cool. What I might do is that other camera, I did some UFO searching and get the bubbles out and come on down here. There are 2 bubbles in the Samsung. I did those on the other channel. It was kind of funny looking around. It's a great little camera. So the 2 bubbles, they're supposed to stitch them together. I'm not gonna do that. It's just fun in one way doing it. So it's all about making a video and having some fun, you know. Yeah, this will be out in March. I said you could do a movie back in here. That one guy told me that Boogie is his main objective. That people could, he's a horror writer. One down here. Write a movie. My favorite place to walk around is Oregon. The mountains, even Maine is kind of cool anyway. You get up there, or even the Cascades, upstate New York. Get some really cool areas. Here's a nice little chair over here. The one up there, I could probably go to City Minnetonka and say, put your mom and dad's name on here, like this one does, that one right here, matter of fact. And she, March 16th, she died 2014. With her dog, Christine Andival, very good. August 15th, 2014. So that's for her. Sit down, so you can, it goes that way too as well. That way goes, when I come back, I'll probably go that way, and I'll head over to the other side. I'll go along the river, so you probably recognize this bridge, anyone who's followed the channel. I did that, the Hunch t-shirt, you know. People were making comments. One other adventurer who did one, looked like he was behind a microwave, like he was looking for chicken McNuggets or his nuggets. And it's like, oh, come on, it's only fun. He's a adventurer. It's like, yeah, that's what's going to happen when you try to have some fun with they all love the mug, but he was making fun of it. It's funny, but he got all kinds of hate. People unsubscribe, fine, let him go. They take it so seriously, but you can kind of see, I want to go across. I've been out in the winter time. I lost my sunglasses somewhere last time I was here. I have no idea where they went. But now we're going across Minnehaha Creek here. Yesterday there was a turtle out here. He was over there in that wood, but he's long gone. But it's kind of, I mean, it's not too bad. It is down a little bit over there. Right down there. So, it's a great little park. Come on down here and hang out, have a cigar. So, goes well. We walked all the way around it yesterday. Then we met that family over there. Chloe decides to lay down in the dirt. Got in some bugs, so she's white and she was all brown. So we had fun yesterday walking around. So mosquitoes aren't too bad. Windy, it's like 80 degrees. State Fair's in full regalia. I'm going there Labor Day. So on Sunday, excuse me. So here we are. So we're gonna walk this way. The last time I sat on right here in this chair right here. So it's a nice little chair. It's too bad they don't clear it out a little bit right over here. So you can't even read that. It's for a Troop 208. So anyways, guys, here's your first video. Shall we? On the next one. Thanks for the view. See you in the next one.